So the topic name of today's, that is it's a helical structure of a DNA and its uses in the medicines. So we will discuss about the what is the exact structure of a DNA and what is its helical structure and its functions, then its approaches, how to use the medicines of the DNA helical structure. So first of all, DNA has a double stranded helical structure. It was given by the Watson and Crick model. It is also known as the B form of a DNA. It is made up of the nitrogenous base deoxyribose sugar and a phosphate. Then the nitrogenous base, that is the deoxyribose sugar and the phosphate, linked together forms the nucleotide chain. The two nucleotide chain is arranged as a stacks connected by the phosphates. The phosphates connected the 3' carbon atoms of one sugar molecule and the 5' carbon atoms of another deoxyribose sugar of the next nucleotide chain by phosphodiester bonds. So the 3' and 5' linkage by the phosphodiester bonds makes the two strands as the antiparallel strands. The nitrogenous base is a two types, that is the purines and pyrimidines. Then next point, that is the adenine and the guanine is the purines, while the thymine and cytosine is the pyrimidine bases. The purines are linked to pyrimidine by the hydrogen bonds. The adenine and the thymine is linked by the two hydrogen bonds, while the cytosine and guanine is linked by the three hydrogen bonds. The nitrogenous bases are linked to the sugar by the N-glycosidic bonds. It has a diameter of 20 Armstrong unit. The total helix runs to the length of 34 Armstrong units. The axial rise per base pair is the 3.4 Armstrong unit. The base pair per turn is 10 Armstrong units. So we will discuss about the structure of the DNA. So in the double stranded DNA structure, there are the two main bases, that is adenine and the purines and pyrimidines bases. So that adenine and guanine is a purines, while the thymine and cytosine it's a pyrimidine bases. That four entities are most important in the helical structure of a DNA. So it's also having the base pairs, then the sugar phosphate backbones, the major groove and minor groove. So the axial rises the 3.4 Armstrong units. Then the helical diameter, it having the 20 Armstrong units. One helical, it turns the 10.5 Armstrong units per micrometer, and the helix pitch is a 35.7 Armstrong units it's having, and it's a structure. So this is the structure of DNA of double helix DNA structure, and what do you use to medicines preparation of DNA strands. So that is discuss about with. First of all, the DNA analysis, it can be used in the diagnosis of hereditary diseases like the genetic like diseases, or that diseases are causes to the DNA disorder or a genetic disorder. That time the DNA helical structure had been it had been used. So the investigations of the malignant processes in forensic medicals, and for the detection of the infectious pathogens, that time the DNA helical structure are also used. The all topics related to the double helix DNA. We all about discuss. So the today's topic is cover. Thank you.